Today, I Chandan, I'm going to present the presentation of FIM. My topic is bulls and bears in the stock market. What are bear and bull markets? Simply put, a bull market refers to a market that is on the rise. It is typified by sustained increase in price. For example, in equity markets in the prices of company shares. In such time, investors often have faith that the uptrend will continue with long term. Typically, in this scenario, the country's economy is strong and employment levels are high. By contrast, a bear market is one that is in decline. Share prices are continuously dropping, resulting in a downward trend that investors believe will continue, which in turn perpetuates the downward spiral. During a bear market, the economy will typically slow down and the unemployment will rise as companies begin laying off workers. Characteristics of bull and bear markets. Supply and demand for securities. In a bull market, we see strong demand and weak supply for securities. In other words, many investors are wishing to buy securities while few are willing to sell. As a result, share prices will rise as investors compete to obtain available equity. In a bear market, the opposite is true as more people are looking to sell than buy. The demand is significantly lower than supply, and as a result, share prices drop. Change in economic activity. A bear market is associated with a weak economy as most businesses are unable to record huge profits because consumers are not spending nearly enough. This decline in profits of course directly affects the way the market values stocks. In a bull market, the reverse occurs as people have more money to spend and are willing to spend it, which in turn drives and strengthens the economy. Investor psychology. Because the market's behavior is impacted and determined by how individuals perceive that behavior, investor psychology and sentiment affect whether the market will rise or fall. Stock market performance and investor psychology are mutually dependent. In a bull market, investors willingly participate in the hope of obtaining a profit. During a bear market, market sentiment is negative as investors are beginning to move their money out of equities and into fixed income securities as they wait for a positive move in the stock market. In sum, the decline in stock market prices shake investor confidence, which cause investors to keep their money out of the market, which in turn causes a general price decline as outflow increases. What to do in each market? In a bull market, the ideal thing for an investor to do is to take advantage of rising prices by buying stocks early in the trend if possible and then selling them when they have reached their peak. During the bull market, any losses should be minor and temporary. An investor can typically actively and confidently invest in more equity with high probability of making a return. In a bear market, however, the chance of losses is greater because prices are continuously losing value and the end is often not in sight. Even if you decide to invest with the hope of an upturn, you are likely to take a loss before any turnaround occurs. Thus, most of the profitability will be found in short selling or safer investments such as fixed income securities. As an investor may also turn to defensive stocks whose performance are only minimally affected by changing trends in the market and are therefore stable in both economic gloom and boom cycles. These are industries such as utilities, which are often owned by the government and are necessities that people buy regardless of the economic condition. Thank you.